D. Reaction involving cleavage of CO bond. Okay. Cleavage of CO bond. CO bond means ROH. This is CO bond. Okay. This is CO bond. Okay. So, first, reaction with halogen hydrohalides. Okay. ROH plus HX, zinc chloride anhydrous. Okay, you remember in first chapter of organic chemistry we discussed about the Lucas test. Okay, Lucas test. So we will get Rx plus H2O. Okay, CH3OH plus HCl in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. We get CH3Cl plus H2O. Okay, CH3OH. Here OH cleavage, CO bond will be cleaved. Okay. Second, reaction with PCl3 or PBr3. ROH plus PCl3, 3 ROH. Okay, so we will get RCl plus PH3 PO3. Okay, H3PO3. Example, CH3OH. This is general reaction. CH3OH plus PCl3, 3CH3Cl plus H3PO3. Okay. Third, reaction with PCl5. Okay, reaction with HX, reaction with PCl3, reaction with PCl5. ROH plus PCl5, RCl plus POCl3 plus HCl. Okay, RCl plus POCl3 plus HCl. CH3OH plus PCl5, so CH3Cl plus POCl3 plus HCl. Okay, clear? Next is reaction with SOCl2. SOCl2 is thionyl chloride. Okay, SOCl2. All these reactions you were studying preparation of haloalkanes. Okay, fourth is reaction with SOCl2. Okay, SOCl2 is thionyl chloride. ROH plus SOCl2, RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. Okay, reaction with SOCl2. Clear? In all the reactions, this one cleaved. CH3OH plus SOCl2 CH3 Cl plus SO2 plus HCl. Okay. The next topic is dehydration. Okay. Next topic is dehydration. Dehydration. Okay. Dehydration means removal of water. Okay. Removal of water. Okay. The dehydration of alcohols is this is alcohol, it may be primary or secondary. Okay. So dehydration. Huh? In presence of mineral acid. Okay. In presence of mineral acid, if we use small amount of mineral acid and by providing temperature. Okay. So first alcohol will get protonated. So we will have plus sign here. Okay. This structure we have. It occurs at 440 Kelvin or 443 Kelvin or 358 Kelvin. Okay. It depends on the which type of alcohol we want to dehydrate it. Okay. So this is unstable species. So water molecule will be removed from here and we get this carbocation. Okay. So to stabilize carbocation, it will attract the shared pair of electron of hydrogen and form a double bond. Okay. Plus H plus. Okay. The proton from a mineral acid we consider as catalyst, and catalyst always removed after the reaction. So we will again get back that H plus ion. Okay. I will explain again dehydration of alcohols. Okay. This is alcohol molecule. The condition is when we provide mineral acid, a small amount of mineral acid at a particular concentration. Okay. So if we take primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol, so different temperature condition will be required. Okay. So later I will discuss about the temperature conditions. Okay. Why the variation of temperature will take for dehydration of alcohols. Okay. So first this alcohol get protonated and relieve one water molecule from here, because hydrogen is highly electronegative, oxygen is highly electronegative, and if it acquire positive charge, so it wants electron more extent, so it attracts the shared pair of electron from carbon atom and leave as H2O. Okay. By this way carbon becomes positively charged. Again, this cation is unstable, highly reactive, so it will attract the shared pair electron from hydrogen and hydrogen leave as proton. Okay. So catalyst अपना हाइड्रोजन वापस ले लेगा. Okay. And we will get ene, alkene, एल्कीन. ओके, सो हाइड्रोजनेशन में सिंपल बेसिक कंसेप्ट क्या है, ये रिमूवल ऑफ H2O. Okay, this is beta elimination. This is beta elimination. Okay, in complete process we will get carbocation as intermediate. Okay, carbocation as intermediate. Okay, so primary, if we take primary alcohol produces primary carbocation, secondary alcohol produces secondary carbocation, and from tertiary alcohol we get tertiary carbocation. And we all know that tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary than primary. Okay, so which carbocation is more stable will produces faster. Okay, so dehydration of alcohols is more in tertiary than secondary than primary. Okay, it means dehydration tertiary का सबसे ज्यादा होगा, फिर secondary का, फिर primary का होगा. Clear? So this is the dehydration of alcohols. Next is oxidation. Oxidation means removal of hydrogen or addition of oxygen. Okay, or addition of oxygen. So next topic is oxidation. Oxidation of alcohols. Okay, this is alcohol. Okay, when we provide oxidizing agent or when we treat alcohol with oxidizing agent, okay, so dehydrogenation occurs. Okay, dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen. Okay, in presence of oxidizing agent we can say oxidation occurs. Okay, so this nascent oxygen produced by oxidizing agent, and this is unstable oxygen atom, so it wants to react with hydrogen atoms, okay, and form water molecule. So by this way both the valencies of carbon and hydrogen combine to form double bond. Okay, and plus H2O. Okay, so this is carbonyl compound. Okay, so by oxidation we will get carbonyl compound. Okay, RCH2OH on oxidation it will produce RCHO. Again on oxidation we will get RCOOH. Okay, RCOOH. Okay, this is the complete oxidation reaction. If we use mild oxidizing agent, okay, if we will use mild oxidizing agent, it stops here only. Okay, mild oxidizing agent लोगे तो reaction यहाँ तक रुक जाएगी. If you will take strong oxidizing agent, so you will get carboxylic acid as main product. Okay, this is primary alcohol. Primary alcohol produces aldehyde, but if you take secondary alcohol, ROH. Okay, so removal of both the hydrogen and we will get RCR double bond O. Okay, ketone. This is ketone. Remember one thing, if you use mild oxidizing agent, so you will get aldehyde from primary alcohol and ketones from secondary alcohol. Okay, otherwise if you have taken strong oxidizing agent लेंगे तो आपको कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड मिलेगा. Okay, from here also. So what we have taken for strong, taken as strong oxidizing agent. Okay, strong oxidizing agent. Alkaline KMnO4, you can take alkaline KMnO4, acidified K2Cr2O7 or acidified KMnO4 also. Okay, all these are strong oxidizing agent for oxidation of alcohols. Okay, and mild oxidizing agent, we can use CrO3 or PCC. PCC is, this is chromium trioxide or chromium oxide you can say, and this is pyridinium chlorochromate. This is pyridinium chlorochromate. These are the mild oxidizing agent. Okay, when we use mild oxidizing agent, so reaction will stop here only. Okay, reaction will stop here only. If you take strong oxidizing agent, so you can't get or you can't isolate aldehyde or ketone from the primary or secondary alcohol respectively. Okay, you will get acids only. Okay, next topic is dehydrogenation of alcohols. Dehydrogenation of alcohols. Dehydrogenation means removal of H. Okay, removal of H. When we pass CH2, RCH2OH, this is primary alcohol. When we pass primary alcohols from red hot copper tube, okay, so we will get RCHO, aldehyde. Okay, how this reaction occurs? RCHOH, same as oxidation. Okay, so we will get RCH. Aldehyde. Okay, if we will take secondary alcohol, ROHH, same condition provided for this also. So we will get double bond O, ketone. Okay, this is secondary alcohol. For tertiary alcohol, this is tertiary alcohol. Here, dehydrogenation is not occurs, but instead of dehydrogenation, it will produce dehydrating substance. Okay, here alkene will be produced. Okay, यहाँ क्या होगा? Dehydration होगा. Hydration. और प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी में डिहाइड्रोजनेशन होगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज रिएक्शन ऑफ फिनॉल्स. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज रिएक्शन ऑफ फिनॉल्स. ओके, सो इन फिनॉल, first reaction of phenols. Okay, reaction of phenols में first electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, electrophilic substitution reaction. A, nitration. Okay, nitration. When we treat phenol with dilute nitric acid, this is phenol plus HNO3 dilute. Okay, so it will produce nitrophenol. Okay, nitrophenol NO2 plus. We will get both the compounds. Okay, but previously I discussed that ortho compounds is minor product and this is major product. Okay, ये ज़्यादा ये कम form होगा. Okay, this is the nitration. If both the products are formed, so how will we isolate these products? Okay, so first we will discuss about the intermolecular force of attraction found among them. Okay, so in orthonitrophenol, there is no absence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, in orthonitrophenol there is absence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, but here intramolecular hydrogen bonding present. Okay, when intermolecular hydrogen bonding is absent in organic molecules, so there will be a force of less or weak force of attraction present. So their boiling point or melting point is less as compared to this, because this para-nitrophenol having intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So intermolecular hydrogen bonding is a strong bond. So here we require more heat to melt this compound, or for isolation we require lot of heat. Okay, therefore we can isolate by getting the by knowing the melting point of these two compounds, because lot of difference between the melting point of both the compounds. Okay, so we will extract or isolate each other. Second is, if we provide concentrated nitric acid. Okay, if we provide concentrated nitric acid concentrated, okay, so we will get NO2 and NO2. Okay, this is picric acid. Okay, trinitrophenol or 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, and common name is picric acid. Okay, so at concentration condition we will get tri-substituted phenol. Okay, next is sulfonation. Next is halogenation. Okay, second is halogenation. Halogenation, when we provide halogen, suppose Br2, Okay, in CS2 or non-polar condition, non-polar medium. If bromine react with phenol in presence of CS2 or CCl4, okay, any, you can take any non-polar solvent, okay, so it will reduce ortho and para bromophenol, okay, para and ortho bromophenol. Same major product is para and minor product is ortho. Clear? So when we provide non-polar condition to this combination, so we will get mono substituted bromine, bromo compounds. Okay. When we provide condition polar, if we provide bromine water, okay, bromine water, this is polar condition, polar medium, okay. When we provide halogen in polar medium, so tri substitution will occur and we will get tribromophenol, okay. We will get tribromophenol. Clear है? Next is Kolbe reaction. Okay. Next is Kolbe reaction. All these reactions are specified for phenol only. Okay. So next is, I think 6, 7. Kolbe reaction. Kolbe reaction. When phenol react with NaOH and CO2, okay, NaOH and CO2, it will produce, first phenol is acidic in nature and NaOH is base, so initially they combine to form salt, sodium phenoxide, okay, initially they form sodium phenoxide, okay, and sodium phenoxide or phenoxide ion having plus R effect. Due to the plus R effect, this species or nucleus, this nucleus having ortho and para position electron rich, okay, यहाँ और यहाँ electron rich condition produce होती है, okay. Then sodium phenoxide react with carbon dioxide, okay. So O and A when oxide ion give its lone pair to inner side of the benzene ring, so it becomes negatively charged center, okay, and we can write CO2 as like this, we can write CO2 like this. So oxygen is electronegative species. By breaking this bond, oxygen acquires minus charge and carbon having plus charge, okay. This is plus and this is minus charge, okay. Here all the carbon having one hydrogen, okay. So next is this carbon atom attracts this negative species or this carbon ion goes to that carbon atom, okay, and form here C double bond O H. We can show positive charge dispersed in this manner also, okay. The aromaticity is disturbed means this species is unstable. Okay, so finally it attracts the shared pair of electron from here and become stable. Okay. Okay. C. C double bond O, and this hydrogen proton, because it has negative charge. Okay. Carbon attached with this negative charge and it loses its positive charge, and again also this is neutralized. Okay. So ये bond तो बना, but oxygen having negative charge. So as soon as hydrogen releases as proton, this oxygen catches this hydrogen ion, okay, and form OH. Clear है? ये OH बन गया. After this, upon acid hydrolysis, okay, this product, because NaOH is present in reaction mixture, okay, so here H is replaced by sodium, means we will get sodium salt. Okay, after this, when upon hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, this is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. Okay, so Kolbe reaction, once again I repeat, in Kolbe reaction, phenol in presence of NaOH react with CO2. Okay, and form salicylic acid. See, first, being an acidic molecule, this react with NaOH and form sodium phenoxide, and sodium phenoxide having plus R effect. Okay, so by due to the plus R effect, the carbon atom of benzene ring having or negative charge of which carbon? Ortho or para. Okay, simultaneously CO2 is polar molecule. Due to the presence of negative ion, its negative charge shifted or electron pair shifted to oxygen atom, and oxygen acquires negative charge and carbon becomes positively charged. After that, this carbon attracts toward this side, this carbon atom, and attached to the benzene ring. Okay, and after that, benzene ring wants to stable, so it loses proton. That released proton simultaneously catched by oxygen anion, okay, and it becomes OH. But in presence of NaOH, it is replaced by sodium, okay, it is replaced by sodium. But we can remove these two sodium by acid hydrolysis, okay. So we provide H plus ion and H2O to this compound, and H plus ion replace the sodium atom, and we will get salicylic acid. Okay. Next reaction of phenol is Remer-Tiemann reaction. Okay. Remer-Tiemann reaction. Okay. Remer-Tiemann reaction. Okay. When we treat phenol with chloroform, CHCl3 is chloroform, okay, in presence of alkali NaOH. NaOH के presence में phenol chloroform से react करेगा, okay. So we will get ONA and CH CCl2, H is already present at that carbon atom. Okay. CCl3. First, this H is also present. Why? First, NaOH dissociate into this form. Okay. How we get this compound? See, NaOH dissociate into such form, and CCl3 can be write this way. Okay. So being a electronegative species, chlorine having partial negative charge and carbon acquires partial plus charge. Okay, so at that time chlorine is liberated as chloride ion and attach with this sodium ion and form NaCl. Okay, NaCl. So we remove this Cl from here, NaCl plus. This OH attracts H plus ion or relieve H plus ion as proton. H plus ion as proton. Why? Because carbon or carbocation attracts this shared pair of electrons towards itself. Okay. As soon as shared pair shifted towards carbon atom, so H becomes positive and positive H attracted by OH negative. So we will get one molecule of water molecule. Okay. One water molecule. Okay. After that, we have only this species. This is CCl2 with one lone pair. Okay, with one lone pair. ठीक, ये डाइक्लोरोकार्बीन. क्या ये कार्बीन है? डाइक्लोरोकार्बीन. ओके, सो इसने इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर लिया, इसके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर आ गया और ये हाइड्रोजन यहां से डिटैच हो गया. क्लियर है? ये कार्बीन फिनॉल के ऑर्थो पोजीशन पे जिधर प्लस आर इफेक्ट की वजह से नेगेटिव चार्ज आया था. ओके, मींस दिस सेंटर इज इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच. सो ये इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच सेंटर है. ओके, यहां जाके ये कार्बन गया. क्यों? क्योंकि दिस कार्बन इज 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन सिस्टम. दिस कार्बन हैविंग ओनली 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन. 1 2 3 4 2 4 and 6. Okay, so this is electron deficient species and this comes to that carbon atom because it has one lone pair of electrons. Okay, so this attached with this carbon atom. Okay, and this H shifted towards that carbon atom. Clear? Because NaOH is present in solution, so these halogens are replaced by OH group. Okay, substitution reactions occur. After that, we will get CH, OH, OH, O, and clear? So this is intermediate because one carbon atom doesn't having two OH group. Due to the steric hindrance, it is unstable. Okay, so after this, one water molecule will be relieved from this species and it becomes stable. How? ONA and CH. Carbon and hydrogen having one valency free by releasing these species. Okay, so this become O. Okay, फिर after acid hydrolysis we will get OH and CHO. This is salicylaldehyde. क्या है ये? Salicylaldehyde. Okay, this is salicylaldehyde. Clear? The second last reaction of phenol is reaction of phenol with zinc dust. Okay, zinc dust. zinc dust से phenol कैसे react करेगा? simple, plus Zn. When we heat this mixture, so we will get benzene plus zinc oxide. Okay, zinc retrieves the oxygen from phenol. Okay, so we will get benzene. Okay, and last reaction is oxidation of phenol. Oxidation of phenol. Okay, so in presence of oxidizing agent, or when we left phenol in atmosphere, so some atmospheric substances or container having some silicates also. Okay, so in presence of oxidizing agent, suppose we will take Na2Cr2O7 or potassium dichromate plus H2SO4. So we will have benzoquinone. Okay, we will have benzoquinone. Okay, this. So after oxidation, we will get this substance, and this is dark in color. Phenol in pure form is colorless, but when we left over 2 to 5 minutes in atmosphere, so by exposure of light and air and some impurities are present in glass container, so it will oxidize to benzoquinone. Okay, next topic is some commercially important alcohols. Okay, some commercially important alcohols. In your syllabus, you will study methanol and ethanol. Okay, only introductory part is in your syllabus. Okay, this is called wood spirit. Wood spirit. Why? In earlier days, methanol is produced by the destructive distillation of wood. That's why they called as wood spirit. Okay, but nowadays it is produced by the hydrogenation of carbon monoxide in presence of Cr and Cr2O3 at 473 to 673 and 202 Kelvin and 200 to 300 atm pressure. Okay, by catalytic hydrogenation of carbon monoxide, we will get CH3OH. Okay, methanol. Methanol is poisonous substance. Okay, यदि जरा सा भी अमाउंट हमने इंजेक्शन किया सो ब्लाइंडनेस हो सकती है, एंड ज्यादा अमाउंट दिया तो डेथ हो सकती है. ओके, एंड मिथेनॉल इज यूज्ड एज सॉल्वेंट इन पेंट इंडस्ट्री, डिस्टेम्पर, पेंट एंड वार्निशेस, इसके लिए सॉल्वेंट का काम करता है. एंड मेन वर्क यूज ऑफ मिथेनॉल इज टू फॉर्म methanol. Methanol means formaldehyde. Okay, so methanol is used for specimen preservative. Okay, so specimen preservation. Okay, so methanol is a solvent. Okay, next is ethanol. Ethanol is produced by the fermentation of sugar or sugarcane juice. Okay, even grapes may be sugar hai. So sugar is C12 H22O11. Okay, so after fermentation we will use invertage. invertase enzyme. In presence of invertase enzyme, fermentation of sugar gives us C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. This is glucose and this is fructose. Okay. So fermentation के बाद हमें glucose and fructose मिला. And after this, glucose again converted into ethanol in presence of zymase enzyme. Zymase enzyme की presence में ये convert होता है. Okay. So main constituent of sugarcane juice or glucose is sugar. That grapes is sugar. So we crush the grapes. Ripened grapes को हम crush करते हैं. उसकी skin पे yeast develop हो जाते हैं. Okay. और yeast में zymes मिलता है, इन्वर्टेज भी मिलता है. तो ये जो ईस्ट है, ये इन्वर्टेज एंजाइम इसको ग्लूकोज में, उसकी शुगर जो रहती है, शुगर को ग्लूकोज में कन्वर्ट करते हैं और ये ग्लूकोज जाइमेज की प्रेजेंस में इथेनॉल में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. ओके. सो प्योर इथेनॉल इज कॉल्ड स्प्रिट और ग्लेशियस स्प्रिट. प्योर इथेनॉल जो है वो स्प्रिट कहलाएगा. ठीक है. बट द प्रिवेंशन ऑफ unnecessary use or consumption, to prevent the consumption of ethanol, some workers drink that ethanol or consume that ethanol. Okay. So it is harmful for health. So some can be if we add some methanol, small amount of methanol to ethanol, so it is not used for consumption. Okay. For drinking. So at that time when we mixed small amount of methanol in ethanol, so it becomes, or it is called methylated spirit. Okay. What does it call? Methylated spirit. Clear? So ethanol is also useful for medicine. For as a solvent we can use ethanol, and from ethanol we can prepare or we can synthesize so many organic compounds. So it is useful component. Okay.